Hi guys, welcome back to Master Builder JS. Here I have a Kolibri. You may thinking you already did the Kolibri video, but that's actually a small Kolibri compared to this one. That one's a lot bigger. This is not the real size. But with the new Kolibri I made, it's a lot smaller. If my mom puts her hand out, or a proper adult hand, it's very cute.
Alright.
And
you want to show how you built it?
Yeah, pause. Hey, I'm back with the pieces here. All the pieces you need. All of these pieces are for the handle, and that's for the body of the gun. Just pause the video and go check if you have all the pieces.
Alright. And show us
So
how.
we're first going to start off with the handle. The handle is extremely easy. So first you want to get one of these. Add this. Make this shape. And then you want to get this same brick. And add it the other way. And then you want to get another 1x2 plate and add it there. So you should get something like that.
Okay.
And then you want to get 2 of these plates. And then you put them here. This will create the shape of the gun. And then you want to flip the same thing. You want to flip it over and do the same thing. So you get something like that. And then you want to make this bit what's super simple. And instead of putting it over here, you want to put it like this.
Okay.
And there you got your very simple handle. And now we're going to send in these bricks. You probably know all the bricks. You can say if you don't have this brick, you can use 2 of these. So first we're going to make a shape with these. I'll just do this quick and then I'll show you. You want to make that shape. And then you want to make this silly shape. And then here comes then you want to get this. And then you should make all those pieces. And you want to add it together like that.
Okay.
And then you want to get back your handle. And then you can probably see the Kolibri coming together. And there you have it. Come on. Come on, little piece. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, put it on the ground.
And then there's your Kolibri. Bye guys. This is Master Builder JS. Please subscribe and leave a like, and